In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow share-detected scam sites with Microsoft Defender SmartScreen in Microsoft Edge. This is a quick but important setting if you want Edge to help protect you by sending scam site information to Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. It can improve your browser security and help keep you safer while browsing the web. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu to open the main browser menu. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. This will open the full Edge settings page where you can manage privacy, security, appearance, and more. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This is the section where Microsoft Edge keeps most of its protection and tracking features. On this page, scroll down until you find the security section. You may need to move down a little depending on your browser version, but it should be located within the Privacy and Services settings area. When you find security, click to open it or expand the section if needed. Inside the security settings, look for the option that says Share Detected Scam Sites with Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. This setting controls whether Edge can share detected scam site information with Microsoft's SmartScreen protection system. If the toggle is turned off, simply click it once to turn it on. When the switch is enabled, Microsoft Edge will be allowed to share scam site detections with Microsoft Defender SmartScreen to help improve your browsing protection. After turning it on, you can close the Settings tab. That's it. The setting is now enabled. You've successfully allowed share detected scam sites with Microsoft Defender SmartScreen in Edge. This small change can help strengthen your browser security and give you another layer of protection while you browse online. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.